So the challenge was to have a single source of truth, being able to pull data not just from our fully integrated ERP system, but from other data sources as well, in order to provide a consolidated view of financial performance and operational performance of the business. And by implementing the FP&A tool, this enabled us to achieve all of those objectives.
The business results that we're striving for internally as a finance team, and I'm sure can be felt amongst most financial teams, is to try and find that solution that gives us a very streamlined reporting system and a single source of data truth.
So the specific product capabilities of the FP&A system, they allow us to produce management accounts, not just in actual currency, but also on a constant currency basis. In addition to that, it helps us in terms of our annual budgeting, being able to compare actual performance on a monthly basis against budgeted performance. And in addition to that, it also allows us to do long-range forecasting and simulations. And if you think about the current economic environments and political environments we're operating in over the last few years, there's been so much turbulence in both financial markets and operationally that you need to be nimble and agile as an organization and be able to modify your long-term range forecasts. In addition to that, it also has a statutory consolidation module as well. So therefore, we can also produce our statutory accounts out of the FP&A module.
It is very flexible if, for example, you change your organizational structure. Many of the changes will be drag and drop, and it is instantly changed. It is also very flexible if you start modeling solutions. So if you build a forecast which is driven by logic, you can change that logic very easy without having a dependency of, for example, IT departments, people which have in-depth knowledge about, for example, SQL scripts, etc. You can do it yourself. It is almost like building a solution in Excel, but then it's database driven with much more functionality and strengths involved.
What Unit4 has managed to realize using FP&A is a single, secure, centralized and reliable version of the truth. It not only connects data from the native integration with our existing ERP system, but is also able to pull multiple data sources from other systems within Unit4 to provide a consolidated view of the business. It also is about connecting the organization as a whole. It's about connecting the people, processes, and the departments with data, and therefore allowing us to execute our strategies across the whole organization.
First of all, now have one reporting solutions, where in the past we had more, so we had multiple versions of the truth. Forecasting became more dynamic, and we reused more of the existing data. I think you can conclude that there is a time saving, because when you use an application like FP&A, you are storing the data instantly in the solution and it becomes instantly available.
Overall, it enables us to really have some quality data that doesn't need to be tick and tied every month. We can trust it. It's coming from the same source. The biggest project that we do currently have in the pipeline is actually using the FP&A solution as our new cash flow model and consolidation tool. So this is going to be a purely finance-owned project. It's going to completely replace another solution that we are currently using, and it will then mean that FP&A is our sole solution, not just for the FP&A team, forecasting, budgeting, month-end solutions, but it's also cash flow and consolidation that we can use for external reporting.